Hola, welcome back to Alumni Chronicles, Journeys from Digital Guru. Today, I have a friend of mine, my jigar ka tukda with me, somebody who embodies both creativity and passion with her. She's none other than Urvashi Chilbhare. Urvashi is a digital marketing student. She's an ex-mass communication student with a passion, deep passion I must say, for digital marketing. She's really great at her work. The work she does is social media management. Hi Urvashi, how are you?
I am great. How are you?
I am doing great too. मैं थोड़ी सी ट्रिविया इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहूंगी. I literally called her last night कि bro, I really need you for the podcast. Are you in? Without being reluctant, she was like, if you're taking it, I'm in. So thank you so much for coming and showing up.
Yes, it was you who was taking it, so yes, I got to meet you again. So yeah, that is why.
We'll start by, can you just introduce yourself, like who Urvashi is, your background, your education and things like that.
Okay, so I am from Mahu. I have spent my entire life till now in Mahu only. I've done my schooling there. Then I graduated from Prestige Institute. I did my mass communication degree there. After that, during that was the first time when I heard about digital marketing.
Okay.
So when we were in the third year, COVID hit suddenly, and we were, in the third year it is compulsory for us to have an internship.
Okay.
But now COVID hit, to what to do? So we were given two options: either find a work from home internship or go for a certification. And I've never heard of online certification before that.
So
then
you did certification in digital marketing.
yes, I did. I didn't even research about it. I was like, the first course that came into like Google. It was from Internshala. I did that. It was a good course.
Okay.
Then I did that. Didn't think a lot about it. I was like, okay, let's see what happens. Then also there were some certain internships that were coming through our way in college only. So I got one internship. Did that for 3 months. It was a great experience. Met some great people, with great team, and the work was also good. And then I was like, then graduation happened, and after that I was like, what do I need to do now? And I was always into academics. I wanted to do something to like study more, and because I was like, I need to do more now. Like I'm young, I don't want to work now. I want to study more.
Yeah.
So I did the sociology. I was very interested in sociology.
Yeah, it's a great field though.
It is very great. But okay, now I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
So I did math.
I'm all ears, gossip.
I did mass communication,
Yeah.
then I did sociology, and now I'm doing digital marketing.
Yeah.
These three are the fields. Whenever, if somebody asks me what are you doing, I need to take like a minute to explain them, because when I was doing mass communication, people would ask me what are you doing?
Journalism. Yeah.
क्या होता है ये? रेडियो होता है, टीवी होता है, then उसको समझा. फिर सोशियोलॉजी, अच्छा साइकोलॉजी कर रहे हो? मैं नहीं सोशियोलॉजी. Like not like ऐसे चलो ठीक है. Even people who are our age don't know a lot
Much about it. Yeah.
Yeah. So then digital marketing also. इसमें क्या होता है? ये क्या होता है? Even today morning I had to explain to somebody that okay what digital marketing is.
Yeah. I know it's indeed a past field. लोगों को ये लगता है कि सिर्फ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है तो आप एड चला रहे हो.
आप फोन चला रहे हो.
आप फोन चला रहे हो. आप पूरे टाइम इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट लेमैन टर्म में वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को समझते हैं. बट आई एम डूइंग द कोर्स एज वेल. शी हैज डन द कोर्स. आई मस्ट टेल यू कि उसके अंदर हाँ बहुत डीप में काफी सारी चीजें हैं.
It's a vast field and a very interesting one at that. Like you choose your domain, and if you excel in that, there's no stopping you in anything. And if you choose something that you like, it's going to be like you will look forward to the day.
Yeah,
It's
cherry
like
on the top. Yeah.
कि काम करने जाना है नहीं. It will be very interesting. Trust me. So yeah, then I did sociology. पढ़ते पढ़ते समझ आया पढ़ाई भी नहीं हो रही है.
Us bro, us.
Then it was like because I am a very impatient or a very indecisive person.
Yeah, I know she's very indecisive, guys. If I give her कि क्या खाना है, she's like, ये खाते हैं, ये खाते, दोनों ही नहीं खाते, काम करते, तीसरी चीज खाते.
Yeah, that is me. So I was like, whenever I used to study, I was like, मेरा दिमाग is going somewhere else only. I'm like, I am not able to focus. Why am I wasting my time now?
Yeah.
Let's do something that I want to do or something I was interested in.
Yeah.
Then I was started looking to
researching,
different things. And I was like, why am I not doing digital marketing? I was doing it and I was liking it. I'll tell you the real reason why I didn't pursue it that time, because I think I was young and after
Clarity नहीं होती है उस time पे.
clarity, and I got scared by the corporate thing. Like, you know, see,
Yeah.
when the 3-month internship ended, and I was given
Job offer.
not a paid internship after
Okay.
that. So it was a remote internship, and when you're learning already and it is a remote thing, so it's like you're not going to the office. You
Yeah.
don't meet people. You're just talking. And I just felt so lonely. And then ekdam se what are deadlines and you need to present to the clients and everything. And I was so scared of that. I was like, I cannot do this. I cannot. So I just like I thought, nahi, I'll do better in academics. But that was not the case. As I grew up a little, I understood, no, it's like part of life that you need to understand. You need to sit back first and think what you need to do. So then I did I was doing an online certification for digital marketing. But what was missing was that there was no one-on-one interaction.
Yeah.
Like you see recorded lectures, and I will tell you, if you see anything recorded, you will go back to YouTube or Instagram in a minute. Like एक notification check कर लेते हैं. यार ये वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन
इसने क्लास के टाइम पे भी ये स्क्रीन बंद करके फोन चला लिया है. राज सर, आप अगर ये पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे ना, तो आपको पता है कि अगर इसकी स्क्रीन बंद हुई तो ये तो फोन चला रही है.
या तो कुछ खा रही है. Yeah, that was it. So then that was it, and I got into digital marketing, studied. Now I'm here.
तो मुझे my question is कि every student, like 4 में से 2 स्टूडेंट तो ऐसे होंगे जिनको क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल पाती है, वो चले कहीं और जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा एग्जाम्पल ले लो, मैंने भी मास कम्युनिकेशन किया, मुझे भी अभी तक क्लैरिटी नहीं थी जब तक मैंने कोर्स के लिए ऑप्ट नहीं करा कि हाँ मुझे जेन्युइनली मजा आ रहा है. तो उस सिचुएशन में हाउ डू यू गेट आउट दैट सिचुएशन? आई थिंक दैट्स अ विशियस लूप वेयर यू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग योरसेल्फ कि ब्रो व्हाट आर यू एक्चुअली डूइंग. तुम्हारा कोई मोटो ही नहीं है जीवन का, तुम्हें करना है कुछ पर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है करना क्या है. सो हाउ डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन?
See, that is, I think everybody is doing that. Like I was too in a very bad spiral because everybody who's my friend or people I know, everybody was doing something or the other, and that is like if you compare yourself to people, that's the end thing. Yeah. So
And that being that.
everybody's been there. So I was actually when I was at home and I was thinking what should I do, and even if I know that I want to do digital marketing, how do I do it?
Yeah.
Like how do I get
Start
the job?
it,
How do
yeah.
I start it? Like where's the starting point?
So like tell me the initial point where something or the other thing inspired you, या what actually sparked कि नहीं यार ये digital marketing तो मुझे करना.
See, it was not like an overnight.
Yeah.
As I've done it before, so I know okay, it's a field that can do, like you can do better, and like it nowadays when I was doing it was okay now, but nowadays I was seeing ads and I don't know how algorithm.
Google algorithm guys. Google's.
if I कहीं भी डाला है मैंने, be it YouTube or Google, so I was ads and I researched a lot, many online, because I wanted to do something online, because I didn't want to go somewhere and invest more money in staying there and doing that. And I was like, the thing is that if you are at a certain age and you're not earning, it takes a toll on you. Everybody's earning their own money and everybody's shopping with that, eating with that, going. So it was like, so I wanted to do something from my home so I could save a little bit.
Yeah.
So I was looking for online certifications. I spoke to few of them, but then I was like, because online you never know which ones are like good. Like reviews, so we know ki reviews and everything, so you can.
Yeah. People also get paid for the reviews.
Reviews, and also experience differ from people to people also.
Yeah.
Like your perception of thing and your standard for a thing is completely different from people. So then I was doing a course online which was like normal course. So but I was like, how do I went for an internship interview also, and that was literally an eye-opener for me. And I went there and they asked me what have you done. So everything that I did was theory.
Yeah.
I was studying at home.
Unless and until you do something practical, वो कोई मतलब नहीं है उस knowledge का.
It is not. मतलब because everybody wants results.
Yeah.
Digital marketing is everything here is based on performance and result. So that was it. So they were like, you only know the theoretical part. This is not what digital marketing is. So you cannot say that I know digital marketing now, or you know a certain domain in that. So you need to learn first. So we can offer. मतलब they said that we can teach you, but
Training.
you have to work from this business. And I was like so demotivated after that. यार अब where do I start from? And then I was like कि now I need to go somewhere and learn. I need to go to a classroom and learn it. So then I searched in Google only that in Indore what an institute. And डिजिटल गुरुकुल का ऐसा जो काम कर गया.
Rest is history. कोर्स कर लिया, इंटर्नशिप मिल गई.
डिजिटल गुरुकुल का ऐसे काम कर गया because like I was looking through, and the thing about digital gurukul is that when you open the website or the any page, be it Instagram or anything, like you won't find I didn't find one review that was negative. Because I never look at the positive reviews for anything. I go for negative ones first. So there was none. I was like, how is this possible? Like, maybe I didn't see it, but there was none. Then I was like, chalo, let's give it a try. Let's talk to somebody. And so then I had a conversation with the counselor. It was great. Then she said, you can talk to Ratso. Like a one-on-one conversation. And before that also I was convinced that this is good because I looked through the brochure and the website, everything I saw. It was like every news. It was believable. Like if you see other
There's something
also,
which connects instantly connects with you.
Yeah, it was believable. Like you can believe it. Okay, these are real people have done that. So I was like, then when I spoke to Raj sir in the evening, there was a call schedule and we spoke for like half an hour or something. And then I'm not lying, and I said that to sir also that I, for the first time in a very long time, I'm feeling relieved that I'm going somewhere with this direction. Like, okay, I can do it.
Yeah, you could trust him in that process.
Yeah, if you talk to somebody, they have, and Raj sir has that. You make sure that you are comfortable and you know that okay, this is what it is. This is what it is, and it's.
I tell you, this is not scripted.
This is not scripted at all.
फंबल करेंगे यहाँ पे.
So I that day I really felt like a weight, and because overthinking तो हमको बोलना नहीं पड़ता, हम कर लेते हैं. तो
अगर मुझे PhD मिलती, डॉक्टर अगर 3 बार
अभी तक हो जाती, तो that is what happened. And then the next day I enrolled. So and after that, like there's no looking back, and I was उस दिन के बाद, I am not kidding, I am not lying, and I am not promoting or anything right now. Things have gotten better. I won't say that like अभी तो मेरी life बिल्कुल बदल गई है and I'm
But you're taking baby steps, no?
Yeah, one day at a time. If you see, I know more than I knew yesterday, and I think I'll know more tomorrow. So that is it, and it is like I'm going in a steady direction. I think that I'm like, and also now I'm gonna start my internship on Monday. And after that something. So, and even in the internship part, when I went for the internship, I was so confident because like I knew, even though I don't know a lot about digital marketing yet, like because I'm not practiced it. So I knew that I would learn.
It's like
Because now I have
like
that
तो कुछ करके
अब तो
निकलेंगे.
आ ही गए, अब तो हो ही गया है.
हाँ.
And now I have that confidence in me. I didn't have it earlier, and now I get कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. Now you can do it. So that was it.
Can you quickly share कोई ऐसी मेमोरेबल क्लास हो या ऐसी कोई क्लास हो जो पूरी रटी हुई हो या ऐसे कि सबसे ज्यादा उस क्लास में मजा आया?
ठीक है, तो now memorable classes तो मेरे लिए सभी रही है because I don't know why I keep smiling in the classes, and that has been spoken about कि why I'm smiling, what has happened. Nothing has happened, I'm just happy because that is the first thing about the class, that Ratsu never made a class boring. Like you would never sleep. अच्छा तो क्या
नहीं अच्छा. I think हमारी हर क्लास में कोई एक इंसान होता है
जो कैमरा बंद करके सो रहा होता है.
क्या मैंने भी बोला था, no hatred from my side.
Just kidding. वो एक जोक था बस, वो हम काट देंगे इसको. नहीं काटेगा
bro. But I'm just अथर्व की बात निकली है तो I'm just giving him a shout out. He's the shout out for उसकी जो उसने वेबसाइट बनाई, वो रैंक कर रही है SEO, उसका भी बहुत तगड़ा है. उसकी प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपर्ट वाली वेबसाइट 2nd नंबर पे रैंक कर रही है. Like अब तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे थ्योरी को प्रैक्टिकल कैसे
वो
पुश करा
सो नहीं रहा था, वो अपनी वेबसाइट पे काम कर रहा था स्क्रीन बंद करके, मल्टीटास्क कर रहा था वो।
Okay, coming back to the class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हम बहुत डाइवर्ट होते हैं। तो the first class because I started a session in between, like these guys were already studying, then they're already done. So it's like, okay, first class I was very excited कि हाँ सर पहले इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे कैसा ऐसा। मैं तो गई, सर ने असाइनमेंट दे दिया था बोले कि ये आपको डिजाइन, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग,
वक्त बदल गए, जज्बात बदल गए।
ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग का क्लास चल रहा था। सर ने बोला कि you guys need to do it. Yeah, how would I do it? How should I do it? Should I do it or not? Because and the assignment was not like कि एक दो कुछ आपको डिजाइन करना है, 10 कुछ था ऐसा, I don't remember.
पर टीम बनाने थे।
टीम बनाने थे, नहीं पहली क्लास में कौन बोलता है? So, but then when the class got over, sir explained me that this is how you need to do it.
Yeah.
Then we did it. So and the next class, then सब अपने मीम्स देख रहे थे, मैंने और फिर मैंने एक रील बनाई कि सर ने उसकी तारीफ की, मतलब वाह फर्स्ट लेक्चर में तारीफ हो गया।
Studious हो गया। ऐसे ही पहले कह दी थी।
उसकी बात नहीं हुई वो बात।
एक बार ही होती है। फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन मैंने तगड़ा बना दिया, उसके बाद मेरा कैमरा ऑफ है।
उसके बाद कैमरा ऑफ। बस that was a memorable class. Then also the one we were just from जब Instagram और वो पढ़ रहे थे
Social media marketing.
social media marketing. That was like very interesting. I'm very interested in that, so it was a very interesting class for me, enjoyable class. Yeah, that.
So like which segment of digital marketing you enjoy doing the most? Like
There are
SEO?
few now.
Okay,
there
it's not
are
one, there's few.
So I like social media the most right now.
Rank.
Let's see. Social media, then okay, then I would say content writing, copywriting. I would say okay, graphic designing. Now this is something that I've learned after coming here, that it's a very interesting thing to do. And the fourth will be SEO, like, because I'm studying it right now also by my own self. I missed that class.
Yeah.
So yeah, SEO would be the fourth. So up now I need to figure out, like, because now that I'm starting the internship, so I'm gonna figure out that which domain I'll pursue in. So that's it.
Could you tell us what skills set या फिर कोई ऐसी knowledge जो आपने यहाँ से gain करी हो that would help you in advancing your career?
I think a lot. Skills तो बहुत सारी है. There's one thing that I've learned being here is that now that I'm less like impulsive or like I'm very calm now. I used to be very impatient कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, छोड़ देते हैं.
Website नहीं बन रही है,
छोड़ देते हैं. Website, thank God you mentioned that. I need to मतलब website. These guys were done with the website because I joined later on. So my website was remaining. So when I started working on it, बहुत hiccups आए because first time I was doing it, कभी template अच्छे से fit नहीं हो रहा है, कभी चल ही नहीं रही है, कभी suspend हो गई है. So then one class I was sitting, I told Raj that the class was going and I said कि सर वो website का थोड़ा सा issue आ रहा है, please explain it to me. Then after class, I kid you not, 1 घंटा सर ने मेरे साथ बैठ के मेरी website पे काम किया. And I was doing the work and I was feeling so guilty. मतलब why am I wasting his time? And he didn't even say a word. He was just smiling and everything. My stupidest questions he was answering with so much like. So that day I learned that even though you are the most busiest person on the earth or whatever, no matter how successful you are, you need to be patient with each and everybody you see. And with yourself also. Because I was not. मैंने 1 महीना internship किया, नहीं हो रहा तो मैं छोड़ दूँगी, ऐसी थी मैं. But now I'm like, you know, you need to
persistence, dedication.
And yeah, dedication also. And you need to be, you know, you sit with yourself कि नहीं, you can do it. Like ठीक है, एक दिन पर
Words of affirmation लगाने होते हैं.
I can do it.
I can do it.
Yeah. So yeah, that is what I've learned through this whole journey. कि धीरे धीरे सब होता है. एक दिन में आप स्टार भी बन जाते हैं. एक दिन में बिल्कुल आपकी वेबसाइट नंबर 1 पे नहीं पहुंच जाती.
Okay, this brings us to the different sections. I've prepared some rapid fire questions. So my first question is, what's the weirdest social media trend you've seen?
Weirdest social media trend?
Yeah, it can be on any platform.
Everything is weird. Like these days, I felt everything is weird in these days. कुछ भी हो रहा है.
My next question would be, would you choose Urvashi as a singer or a digital marketer if given a choice?
Singer.
Singer? You sing 10 below.
But वही तो hypothetical situation है यार. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
I have left with one option, which is Urvashi as a digital marketer.
वो तो कर ही रही हूँ ना. Parallel world में मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ यार.
My third question would be, if your life were a meme, what it would be?
साला दुख है खत्म भी होता.
Supervillain team up, what would you love to see? Loki or Joker as a team, or Thanos or Darkseid?
Loki. Yeah.
Even I would.
Yeah.
So this brings us to the third activity, which is our activity section. क्योंकि मुझे भी participate करना है. तो उर्वशी बहुत गाने सुनती है, even मुझे गानों का शौक है. तो it's a one-on-one battle. Tunes चलेगी, मेरी टीम ट्यून्स चलाएगी और पहले बता रही हूँ वो cheated है, वैसा नहीं है, मुझे खुद को आइडिया नहीं है. और हम दोनों में से जो we have this whistles with us, जो पहले बीप करेगा उसे गाना गैस करने का मौका मिलेगा. सही है?
Yes.
तेरा नो ये हमारी बीप. ओके
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
ठीक है. We should start. और तूने फोकट पे जाए तो पेनल्टी है, ठीक है? शुक्र जब आ जाएंगे तो यार. तो आपने तो बीप तो अटक कर रही है यहाँ पे.
भूल गई.
तो इसका ये बंटी है.
तेनू लेके मैं जावा. बराबर.
Vanita will decide 3 minutes.
Guess first.
मुझे नहीं करना है पॉडकास्ट. ये तो पागल हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे कोरियन टीम्स मिलके. ओके नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग.
मुझे क्यों देखने बता.
हटना पड़ेगा. बताना है कौन? सनलाइट बेशर्मी की नहीं. ठगना है तो.
रिफ्लेक्सेस खराब है मेरे लाइफ थोड़े में.
बंटी का साबुन स्लो है.
पंजाबी वेडिंग सॉन्ग.
Thank you She for coming here.
Thank you for having me.
Last में आप जाते कुछ कहना चाहेंगे हमारे viewers के लिए?
If you are interested in digital marketing, this is the place you need to be. And I'm not saying because I've done. I'm saying because I've done the course, not a promotion, but a promotion. But a promotion. But yes, it will be like one of the cherished moments of your life because it's not just about the course, about the people you meet here and the mentors you meet here. Everybody is amazing.
Yeah, we are also digital family.
Family
Digital
now.
Gurukul family.
So yeah.
Okay. Bye.